Imagine you are in a cycling race, stuck in the middle of a slow group. Suddenly, you pedal harder, leave everyone behind, and scream, "I'm going to break away from the pack and win this." Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb break away. This phrase is all about independence. Physically, it means to separate from a larger group, like in sports. But emotionally, it is much more powerful. For young adults, we use this when you escape a controlling situation, like a toxic relationship, a strict family tradition, or a bad habit. It implies force and effort. You are snapping the invisible rope that is holding you back so you can be free. Hey, I want you to think about what holds you back. Commenting below is the best way for you to show engagement with the community, and it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So, watch these next examples carefully, and then write your own. Here are 3 more practical examples. Example 1. She decided to break away from her parents' expectations and study art. Example 2. It is hard to break away from social media addiction, but you need to try. Example 3. He finally broke away from that toxic friend group and is much happier now. Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. What do you need to break away from? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.